Hello, everybody. Thank you for being on here. I appreciate you watching the video. Now, there's a bit that I want to announce. I've started my own YouTube channel, okay? Part of our process this year is to grow, okay? We have a lot of plans for our customers. Being one of my customers long term is going to benefit you, especially by next year, 2023, because my whole team is executing a lot of different traffic sources, right? We're going right now YouTube. We're going to go through Pinterest and TikTok. We're working on TikTok, actually, given a woman in general, like videos and they like to play with, such apps. I employed actually my wife to be on top of the TikTok strategies we're going to go with. And I'm building as I go a whole um, video tutorials from zero to hero, my whole setup, which is gonna take a long time to finish it. Okay, it's gonna take till next year because it's gonna teach A to Z everything I've done. Okay, we have a lot of big plans for the future and to our customers, and that's part of it. Okay, everything you see, the growth you see with me on video, you're gonna see it next year. Um, given all the efforts we're placing. Now, regards to tomorrow, I'm gonna make this as fast as possible, okay? Because I don't want to take a lot of your time. Tomorrow, Tim Verdau, okay, which is one of my very, very good friends. A lot of you know him because we have shared customers with him. He's been on YouTube for so long, and he's one of the very good people around here. He gives his customers the very best. He follows up for his customers to say you have a problem with a vendor and he recommended you that product. He actually goes and hits them up and makes sure you're taken care of. He's one of the nicest people I've ever met. Uh, and for the first time ever, Tim is actually launching a product tomorrow called WebinarFlow. Okay, he partnered with Mintware, which is a whole, it's a huge company. They've got like, a lot of, super products, okay, like enterprise level. And Tim has taken the lead on this one. I congratulated him and I'm 100% behind him because the team is amazing. Tim is fantastic. And this is going live tomorrow. Now, some pointers, they don't have a bundle package, but they're only offering 10% off for the whole funnel. So if you buy the front end upsells, you get 10% on the whole thing if you attend the webinar. Only if you attend the webinar at 10 a.m. EST, Friday, Friday the 8th of April. Okay. If you don't, you're only gonna get a 10% on the front end. So there's a huge leverage there. Plus, they're gonna announce prizes. They're launching, as you can see on the screen, all-in-one live on automated webinar meetings and live classes platform to convert leads into paying customers in just 3 easy steps. Create and host unlimited engaging live and pre-recorded webinars for unlimited attendees without hassles, right? And then the awesome features, you can do pre-recorded webinars, live like webinars, paid webinars, webinar replays, create tutorials, easy to handle, webinar registration, commercial rights, and so much more. There's a lot. I've got it all on the document, okay, which I'm going to share soon. Now, let me show you the actual demo, okay, quickly.
Hey, and welcome to this demo of WebinarFlow. Now with WebinarFlow, you're able to create live webinars, pre-recorded webinars, meetings, or live classes. To get started, simply select the event type, give your webinar a title, create a slug, so you can add here anything you like, set the time zone, and then select the date whenever you want to go live. Select the time, and click on Create. So right now, you successfully created your webinar and you can enter the details of your event. So in the description here, you're going to fill out the details and then you're going to hit Save. And for each tab at the top here, you can apply your own custom settings. Let's go to the registration page settings. Now on this page, you will be able to upload your own logo. You can change the header text, the color to match your own
Right.
brand. So let's change it to blue.
So guys, you've got all the options to customize, get the the multiple pages like thank you pages, registration, all of that, and brand it all.
You see how it changes to the color that matches your brand. Green, let's change brand. And also the overlay color, the transparency. Also, you're able to allow GDPR settings on the registration page where you can fill out the information.
That's very
This is
cool.
filled in by default. Then once you're done, you can click on full preview to see the registration page, how it looks like on full screen. Once you're done, you need to click on Save Now to save each specific tab. On the thank you page, you're able to
So you've got the thank you page, the video, social media links, tracking codes, and social media preview. Then you got the registration page, text, emails, autoresponders that you want to connect, and registrants show on here. So it's a full out. Okay, if you go to webinar, you want to buy into the subscription. It's $500 a month. You're gonna get this whole system for a one-time low fee. Okay, the front end is $57 with a 10% off, and then there's multiple upsells which I have them on the document. Okay, I'm gonna share this video in the document, which is here, right here. It gives you all the bonuses, all the links, even the upsell links. Okay, so that's the one second. That's the front end link. Okay, so if you don't join the webinar, you're not gonna get 10% off the whole funnel. You're gonna only get the $10 off the front end. So 57 will go down to 47, and that's it. You have to pay for the upsells in full price. But if you join the webinar, you're going to get 10% on the full funnel, which contains, and the demo video is right here. You can watch it. OTO links, I've got them all here, the upgrades, you can check them out. It tells you everything you can get to broadcast any earlier pre-recorded video as live, premium access to run any high-quality live webinars without any disruptions, premium access to run paid webinars with freedom to to charge the attendees. So paid webinars is when you actually, say you offer it for $1, right? And people will pay the $1. That, a lot of people use that strategy because they want to get people on live that are really serious. So if they paid the freaking dollar and they use their credit card, that means they're gonna first show up, and second, they're serious. Okay, so they're the kind of people that pull out the credit card, which is a really good tactic. Okay, and then you got all the upsells and everything about the upsells and all the bonuses right here. As always, you go to now here to request the bonuses, you go to webinarflow.desco.io with the subject line special bonus request for us, and they reply with all the bonuses. Okay, everything is right here ready. Now, given I started YouTube, I already have my last three reviews on YouTube right now. I'm uploading this, so go check it out, subscribe. I want to try to reach you, fluently, consistently all the time, with different platforms. Now, one of the things I'm applying, obviously, I'm growing that YouTube channel with my own tactics, and that's, I have my own kind of creative stuff that I do. Okay, and it's all white hat. It's all super legal. But and with the process, with the growth, I'm recording. I built a membership system and like a video courses and all that, and it's gonna take a while because I'm gonna show A to Z. Okay, this is something I'm gonna offer next year to a broad audience, not JVZoo. It's gonna be high ticket, but I'm gonna teach you what Faraz Alami does on his desktop every day to bring huge numbers. And you're going to see my numbers at the end of the year. They're huge. Okay. Thank you so much for being on here, guys. I appreciate you as always. All my customers have been super amazing. Um, I don't suggest that you unsubscribe. I suggest that you continue around with me because, I won last year top 10 vendor at JVZoo. This year we're aiming for number one. And there's an obvious reason for that, right? The more you're with me, the more you're going to learn. Obviously, you don't get any trashy garbage recommendation from me because I don't do that. I can't sleep at night if I do. And I want you to scale your business. I have a lot of customers that actually have connections with me on Skype, and they message me when there's a product. And I've created a lot of friendships too with my customers. And if you need me, always hit me up at this email. I have it on all the documents. I am dealoftheday@gmail.com. This is personal access to me, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.